Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to search order by customer email address using plugin in WooCommerce order dashboard. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WooCommerce order section. Now you see different order. So we are going to search order by customer email address in WordPress. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin, write additional order filter for WooCommerce. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. Click on install now. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated and scroll down on left side you see setting and then you see additional order filter. So click on it. Now setting open and scroll down you see different active filters and then select customer email address and scroll down click on save changes. Now setting saved, go to order page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see additional filter button, so click on it and then you see customer email address. So you can add customer email and then click on apply filter. Now scroll down, you see customer email address with these orders. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.